Hello, my name is Sumith. I have been studying my BE Engineering from Vidyavika's Institute of Engineering Technology, Mysore. I have completed my Bachelor's of Engineering in 2025 and joined JSPIDERS Basavanagudi in the year of 2025 November month. So it was when joined here, selected the course of Java Full Stack Development. And while in this entire course limit, I was really afraid of Java because I never touched it because it was lengthy concept. But the trainers here, Dhanush sir, Rajshekar sir, and Salman sir, Revan sir, they were quite prominent and best in their fields, and they helped me to overcome this fear and understand the concepts from the base to any advanced level. They help in great understanding of understand whatever the foundation is needed for the implementation purpose, as well as not only just for the subject sake. It was really close to the company oriented performance, and it was really enjoyable, right? Not like just any college lectures or any kind of PPT or studying purpose. They helped us to closely watch ourselves towards the industry aspects, know about the company purpose, what they need, how they want, and accordingly they train us to various aspects. Not only for any kind of structural advancement like subject wise, they also train you in aptitude and DSS structures and programming languages as well. So that makes the JSPIDERS apart from any other institution, and it really helped me to overcome my fears, build some confidence into my specific structures, and know main about the core concepts, understand and analyze myself, and like that I understood these concepts into various different manners and apply them into real life concepts, not only in bookish things. So I really appreciate the help and whatever the support that JSPIDERS have performed. As well, the HR Sheetal ma'am has also gave me and great support in providing companies as well. So overall, the JSPIDERS is best, and I would like to acknowledge and be thankful for making me join the company of I'm placed there for the role of associate software developer for the package of the company standard purpose. So yeah, that is my everything of it. I hope you to get successful in life and get placed soon. Thank you.